How to transfer from Coinbase to your bank account. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Coinbase to your bank account. This is a common question that I get asked, so I thought it would be a good idea to make a video about it. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of security when transferring money. Coinbase is a very secure platform, but it's still important to be aware of the risks involved. I recommend that you use a strong password for your Coinbase account and enable two-factor authentication. Now, let's get started with the tutorial. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged in, click on the Wallets tab. Step 2. Select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. You can transfer any of the cryptocurrencies that are supported by Coinbase. Step 3. Click on the Withdraw button. Step 4. Enter the amount of money that you want to transfer. Step 5. Select your bank account. Step 6. Click on the Submit button. Once you click on the Submit button, your transfer will be processed. It may take a few days for the money to reach your bank account. Additional tips. You can only transfer money to a bank account that is verified with Coinbase. You can only transfer a maximum of $10,000 per day. If you are transferring a large amount of money, it may be necessary to provide additional identification. That's all there is to it. Transferring money from Coinbase to your bank account is a simple process. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will be happy to answer them. I would also like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I make videos about all things related to cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.